Are you happy with your home's air quality? Do you have bad odors from pets or cooking in your house? If you see floating particles in the air, your home has allergens. To solve all these problems and breathe easier, you need a powerful air purification and ionization system installed by Haven Cool Air Conditioning. Not just a portable air purifier which will not cover your entire home or even a large room. Our top-of-the-line quality control system installed inside your central air unit and will purify all the air in your entire house, not just one room or area. Haven Cool's air purification system requires no bulbs or replacement parts, and it generates the same natural ions found in waterfalls, ocean waves, and lightning. These ions will reduce bacteria and viruses lingering in the air, including COVID particles. So contact Haven Air Conditioning now to have your home's air quality transformed by our groundbreaking air quality control system.